Stablecoins can help crypto investors avoid volatility in the markets, but they have plenty of other real-world use cases too. Welcome to our channel, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for instant notification. Stablecoins serve as a much-needed antidote to price volatility in the cryptocurrency markets. Let's look at how they work, shall we? Most of these digital currencies are collateralized by an underlying asset to deliver price stability. For example, one of the most common types of stablecoins are those pegged to fiat currencies. A stablecoin such as Tether, otherwise known as USD, is backed on a one basis with the US dollar. For every single unit of USD that's in circulation, $1 is supposed to be set aside and held in reserve by financial service providers. Alternatives include TrueUSD, Test and USD. The number of stablecoins out there has exploded in recent years, as well as the quantity. It's also possible to find crypto assets that are pegged to other fiat currencies such as the euro and even other crypto sets. It seems that the possibilities are endless with this new technology. Some stablecoin projects have tied their digital assets to precious metals or to other cryptocurrencies. Projects such as Facebook's Libra intend to allow stablecoins to be used as a medium of exchange backed by a basket of different national currencies. Stablecoins are exceedingly easy to buy and are listed on most cryptocurrency exchanges, including Binance and Coinbase. What are the main use cases for stablecoins? Trading volumes for stablecoins are increasing, and there's a lot of real-world use cases for token holders to get excited about. For example, at present, many financial institutions often charge astronomical transaction fees when cross-border transfers are being made, or one fiat currency is being converted for another, and settlements can take days. Popular stablecoins allow transfers to happen instantaneously on the blockchain, and far more cheaply. Picking the right type of stablecoins also serve as a much-needed safe haven against short-term price volatility in the Bitcoin market. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for instant notification. See you soon.